Welcome to the birthplace of the US dollar, where science, art, and craftsmanship come together to produce the world's most iconic currency.
Dollar bills begin not with wood pulp, but with a special cotton linen blend designed for durability and longevity.
The fibers are mixed and refined, creating a uniform texture that gives the dollar its signature feel. The cotton linen slurry is spread into wide sheets, forming the foundation of the future banknote.
Large rollers carefully dry and flatten the sheets, preparing them for advanced security elements.
Colored fibers are embedded throughout the paper, plunter, one of many security features used in modern banknotes.
Subtle watermark images are pressed into the paper, visible only when held to the light. Every sheet undergoes precision scanning to ensure consistency and flaw-free material.
After passing inspection, the blank sheets are bundled and prepared for transport to the printing division.
After passing inspection, the blank sheets are bundled and prepared for transport to the printing division.
The blank currency paper arrives at specialized printing facilities where the artistic transformation begins.
Skilled artisans engrave the intricate designs that give the dollar its detailed texture. These engravings are transferred to steel plates, used in the first major printing stage. This raised ink is one of the dollar's key tactile identifiers.
Every note receives a unique serial number, helping track and authenticate currency. Official seals are printed with precision ink to complete the note's identification markings.
Color Shift ink gives modern bills their shimmering, angle-changing effect.
Ultraviolet inspection ensures that embedded features react correctly to specialized lighting.
High-speed cameras scan every square millimeter of each note for printing accuracy.
Even with automation, trained specialists conduct manual checks to catch subtle imperfections.
The large printed sheets are cut into individual notes with industrial precision cutters.
Each note is reviewed to ensure perfect alignment and dimensions. Next, advanced counting systems group the bills into precise bundles.
Bundles are strapped and labeled for secure tracking.
A final verification ensures every bundle meets quality standards.
The packaged currency is prepared for shipment under controlled conditions. Sealed containers are moved to secure transport channels. Modern currency production relies on advanced robotics and automation.
The methods and designs continue evolving to protect against counterfeiting.
Once printed, each dollar enters circulation, beginning a long journey through everyday life.
Bills are tested for durability to ensure they withstand years of use.
From raw fibers to complex artistry, the dollar's creation is a remarkable journey.
Thank you for watching this inside look at how the US dollar is made. Flul, a symbol recognized across the world.